Hey folks, just picked up an Evinrude Lightwin 1965 and I'm taking her out for a test run, see how fast I can get it going in my 12-foot boat. Also a test for my boat to make sure there's no leaks left in it. Didn't find any in my water test at home, but you never know. So got my life jacket in case it leaks, got my oars in case the motor doesn't go, and hopefully I'll be able to get a top speed, just myself and the bare boat. Here we are on the lake. Open up the vent cap. Open that up. That's this guy on the side here. So far no leaks, just the water in from the oar. Choke out on start. There we go. Said it takes a little bit to warm up. Everything looks good. Chokes in. See what this thing can do. So a hair under 5 clicks is about half of what I was expecting. Idles down nice and slow, low. So about G's where she cuts off. Well, 1965, so it's a fair bit older than me, but close this one. This guy right here, I think all that water is just from my Crocs. And just close that, close that. It's a neat little motor. I think if I had some more weight in the front, that it might give me a little more speed, but it's faster than paddling. So, and only weighs 30 pounds empty. And I just wanted a light little duck hunting rig, and I think gotta fix that. I think it'll work. give it a shot of paint or two, and a little dent there. There's another dent. That dent's kind of bad, but I'm sure I can either pound it out or fix it somehow so it looks a little better. And not too bad. So for a rig I have $375 into, I don't think I complain too much. I haven't done the bottom of the boat, just the top. This is Parker's Santan. Yeah, so I don't know if some weight in the front might, I don't know. I was expecting a bit more out of it, but I might have had bar set too high. That was just a video, boating around, just making sure my boat didn't really leak. I think that's just from my Crocs. Yeah, so hope to have another video up soon.